Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn integration techniques together, step by step. Some integrals have a function tucked inside another, plus a copy of the inside's derivative hanging around. That's the fingerprint left by the chain rule. To reverse it, we use u substitution. We rename the inside function as u, which transforms a messy integral into a simple one we already know how to solve. Here's the method. First, pick u to be the inside function. Second, differentiate to find du, the derivative of u times dx. Third, swap every x expression for u and du until no x remains. Fourth, integrate in terms of u, then substitute the original expression back. Choosing the right u is the whole skill. Integrate 2x times x squared plus 1 to the fourth. Let u equal x squared plus 1. Then du is 2x dx, which is exactly the rest of our integrand. The whole thing becomes the integral of u to the fourth du, which is u to the fifth over 5. Put back the inside, x squared plus 1 to the fifth over 5 plus c. Now integrate 6x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 2. Let u equal x cubed plus 2, so du is 3x squared dx. Since we have 6x squared, that's 2 du. The integral becomes 2 times the square root of u du. Integrate to get 4/3 u to the 3/2. Substitute back x cubed plus 2 plus c. To wrap up, u substitution is the reverse chain rule. Look for an inside function whose derivative also appears in the integral. Set u to that inside, find du, and rewrite everything in u. Integrate the simpler form, then swap x back in. With a little practice, you'll spot the right substitution almost instantly. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.